Good morning to all of you. So this is Dr. M.R. Rupan, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Devanam College for Women, Vilupuram. So today we are going to learn about the computer and business subject. So in these subjects we have to mainly concentrate on the following things. The first one is the definition of computer. The second one, importance of computer in business environment. And third one, evaluation from manual process to computerized process. Because nowadays we are living in the world of computer and internet. Without computer and without internet, we cannot do such and such things. We nowadays artificial intelligence AI is acting a main role, and it plays an important role in the business activities and other activities. If we want to know anything about in the world that is news or the current affairs or anything we want, we can contact the artificial intelligence. That artificial intelligence will tell whatever we want, and we will see these things one by one. The first one is definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that processes data according to the set of instructions called a program. It can perform calculations, store and retrieve information, and execute a wide variety of tasks automatically and repeatedly. Because we know all about the computer, we are using the computer in the daily basis. So computer is a electronic device, and it contains a set of instructions. So according to the instructions, they will give the output. So this is the computer. Okay, the flat screen, that is display, and the speakers, keyboard that is used to input device. The mouse is also an input device, and desktop computer is a system unit, that is CPU, central processing unit. So in this unit, the several processors are running, and the output is displayed in the monitor, that is in the output device. So this is the definition of a computer. And the second one is importance of computers in the business environment. So the first one is efficiency and productivity, and the second one communication, third one data management and storage, fourth one financial transaction and accounting, marketing and sales, and decision making and customer service. The first one, efficiency and productivity. Using the computers in business, we can do our business and our production in an efficient way and in a perfect way. And the second one is the communication. So if you see the picture, they are connected with the Google Meet or in the Zoom. So the business people can easily communicate and discuss about the various business matters using the Google Meet and that Zoom and other meeting Teamweavers like other applications using the computer. And the third one is data management and storage. So when we are using the computers in the business, we can store the data in a safe way, and we can also manage the data in an easiest manner. It is not difficult. So but if we are using the traditional way, we have to maintain several records, we have to maintain several books and several notes for that. If the books are exceed more than 100 or more than 1000, we need a record room, we need a separate room or any other things like that. But if we are using computer to store the data and the managing of the data, we need the hard disk. The small type of hard disk. Only we need to extend the storage capacity only, but it does not take, or it does not occupy more amount of space. A small amount of space, like a very small thing. And the next one, financial transaction and accounting. Nowadays financial transactions and accounting, maintaining of accounts is also done with the help of the computer. Nowadays we are using the various accounting uh, softwares that is used to maintain our financial transaction and calculate the accounting systems, the like tally ERP9 and wings, and some companies are using their own accounting software. They are using Excel, or they are using the Microsoft applications, and they are creating their own accounting softwares. And they are nowadays some big companies are using the .NET and Visual C++ and other applications. Using these applications, they are using front end and back end software for the accounting tasks, and they are creating their own accounting software using the AI and information technology system. And the next one, marketing and sales. While we are we are doing the marketing and the sales activities nowadays, it is easy, but in the olden days it is very difficult. There is no computer, there is no internet, and there is no information technologies, and there is no other activities like that. Nowadays marketing and sales activities are easy with the help of the computer. We are using internet, we are using some other things, we are using IoT, internet of things, and AI, artificial intelligence, machine language, to sell our product or market our things, products, and activities. Nowadays in the field of marketing, there is a one concept called digital marketing is available. Using this digital marketing, we have to market our products and our goods in the digital manner, and we can sell the goods using the digital system, and we can get the money, and we can pay the money using the digital form. But in this form there is no usage. We cannot handle the cash in hand. We can easily transfer the money from one place to another place using the digital payment and digital financial transaction. And the next one, decision making. So if we in the business, if we found to make the decisions in a difficult manner, we can ask the AI, or we can ask the help, we can seek the help of the computer. At that time the computer will give the proper decision and appropriate decision to our critical situation, to in the business, in the critical situation. And last one, customer service. So if you are using computers in our business, we can easily do the customer service, we can clarify our doubts, we can do the best and better services to the customers. This is about the importance of the computers in business. And the next one is evolution from manual to computerized processed. So if we see the picture, you can easily understand. In the olden days, some pictures are drawn in the hand, and it is very difficult. We can use the many materials to use that to draw the picture. But nowadays it is easy. We can use the computers, and we can use the technologies. We can easily done our business in within a 5 seconds, or within a 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So likewise in the business also, if we want to sell a product, we can easily sell the product using OLX or other websites like e-commerce and other activities. And if we want to buy any things, we can easily buy the things using the internet. And the next one is business applications of computers. So computer is used in the various business activities. There are 4 activities: accounting and finance, marketing and sales, human resource management, customer relationship management. And it is subdivided into 6, that is accounting software, project management software, communication plus collaboration tools, enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, and human resources management. Accounting software. So I have already told accounting software. Nowadays, many companies they are using the accounting software to maintain the accounts, and they can easily plan the financial activities for the for the future things. So there are various accounting software. Some companies are using their own accounting software using the various applications like .NET, Visual C++, and other things. There are some companies are using the Tally to maintain the accounts. And the second one is project management software. It assists in planning and tracking projects, making it easier for teams to work together and track process. So uh, if we do anything in a business or in any other activities, that is called a project. So with the help of the computer we can easily manage the project, and we can easily we can easily communicate with the coordinates, and easily we can coordinate the project team and use the project management software. We can use the TeamViewer or the some other collaboration softwares to do our project in the best way. And the third one is communication and collaboration tools. Includes email, video conferencing, and document sharing to make it easy people to work together. So using this communication and collaboration tool, we can easily done the things in the from the home itself. So there is in the COVID days we have the concept from work from home concept. So in that concept they have introduced, they have much and more introduced that Zoom meetings, video conferencing, and email. They can share the data, and they can get the feedback from the customer in the easiest ways. They can sell the product in the easiest ways. So this communication and collaboration softwares was emerged for easily grown with the help of the computer. And the next one is enterprise resource planning software. So nowadays there is a resource planning software. The Microsoft and the Apple company, the Apple company has introduced the enterprise resource planning software. So the main activities or the main thing of the enterprise resource planning software is to planning about the future, how we are going to proceed our business in the future things, and how we are doing the things, going to do the things, and how we are going to proceed further and further, and how to develop the business in the future activities. And the next one, customer relationship management software, that is CRM. Using this software we can easily maintain and create a good relationship and good rapport between the customers and the manufacturing company. We can easily communicate with the customers using email, video conferencing, or any other softwares to do that. And the next one is human resource management software. It handles all HR tasks like payroll, benefits, and employee records. Nowadays, this HR human resource recruitment is also done with the help of the artificial intelligence. So for example, if we want to apply, or if we want to get a job, we can post our resume in a computer. So that computer will analyze our resume, and they will suggest the best job for us using the artificial intelligence. And also if the person is fit for the job, they can recruit that person and recommend that management company to recruit that person, and they can give the tips for the development of the human, and they can also develop the help the management in the HR activities. And the next one is office productivity tools. So mainly these are the office productivity tools. Microsoft Office, it includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and that database like that. And the Google Workspace, user cases, reports, presentation, spreadsheet. Nowadays, Office have introduced Office 365. So in this Office productivity tools, we have various options to produce that. So if we want to create a document in a perfect manner, we can use the Word, MS Word. And if we want to create a tabular column or a calculation, we can use the Excel, Microsoft Excel. So if we want to a presentation, a nice presentation or a colorful presentation, we can use the PowerPoint. That will recommend a useful and a super presentation and attractive presentation to the customers to promote our company or like that. And nowadays we have the Google Drive, OneDrive for the Google Workspace. So it helps the organization or the individual people. We can store the data in more numbers and like that. So, and user case reports. So nowadays the computer is helping to generate the reports. The people, when the people are suffering to create or if they feel difficult to produce the reports for the sales or the productivity or the production cost like that, that computer will help them to produce the data or to manipulate the reports or manipulate the presentation in a better way. So these are the office productivity tools. And the next one is e-commerce and online business. So these things are mainly important nowadays. The business is moving forward to the e-commerce. E-commerce is nothing but electronic commerce. Nowadays many people are doing the e-commerce activities. Many people that is nothing but online shopping platforms, Amazon, Flipkart and Alibaba, like that. So in this e-commerce platform, online shopping platform, we can get the things and we can sell the things in the easiest manner. So in the traditional way, if we want to buy a computer or if we want to buy a dress or if we want to buy a mobile phone, we have to go to the shop and we have to wait for the shop till the shop will open, like that. And after that only we are entering the shop. We have to select the things in the shop. It takes a lot of time, like that. So nowadays using Amazon or using Flipkart, we can easily select the products whatever we want and whatever we features. And also payment of gateways, that is UPI payments, GPay payments, Paytm, like that. Using this payment gateways, we can easily pay we can easily pay or we can easily transfer the goods. We can easily transfer the money from one place to another place. And the next one, role of computers in the inventory and management, order management. So these things are also included in the e-commerce activities. So we can easily track the goods when we are ordering the goods from one place to, suppose if we order the goods from Rajasthan, or if you order the goods from Saudi Arabia, Africa, like that, we can nowadays we can easily track the goods exactly where the goods is in the place. For example, so in the previous week I have ordered one good, that one mobile phone. So at that time I can easily track my order using the order inventory system using e-commerce method. So e-commerce and online business is also come under the computers in business. And database management and decision making, I have already told, database management and decision making is done with the done by the computer with the help of the e-commerce, with the electronic commerce. So using this electronic commerce, we can easily make the decision and we can easily manage the data, a huge amount of data. So if we see the picture, you can easily understand that is a cloud based database cloud based or big data storage, and the AI, artificial intelligence or machine learning, or pattern recognition, or customer pattern recognition. So the customer can easily store the data using this management system. They can analyze the data, they can store more and more data, they can make the decisions, and also the companies also take the decisions when there is unable to take the decisions in a critical situation. They can use the AI, they can use the machine language, and they can get the decision in an easiest manner. And communication business, email and instant messaging, video conferencing, Zoom and Google Meet, cloud collaboration tools, Google Drive and OneDrive. So using these communication tools, we can easily communicate with the other business people. We can easily do the import and export business with the other people, and we can use also communicate with the domestic employees or domestic customers, and also we can easily manage the international customers. That is the communication in business. And the next one is ERP system. We have already learned about that. ERP system, it includes sales, marketing, procurement, planning, human resources, inventory, accounting, and supply chain. So these are the things are included in the ERP. So while we are using the computer, we can easily do the sales, that is digital sales. We can do the sales in the Facebook, Instagram, like that, and we can use the digital marketing. We can using the email, video conferencing, Zoom, Google Meet, like that. We can easily shop the things, and we can easily sell the goods and services. We can easily plan for the future activities, how we are going to do our business in the future, and how we are going to do our the financial planning, like that. And human resources, suppose if we want to recruit the customers, we can give the data to the enterprise resource planning. That enterprise resource planning will recruit a person, a suitable person, a perfect person for a particular job. And if we want to maintain the inventory, we can also use the enterprise resource planning. That will maintain the account, the inventory, how much inventory do we have, and how much inventory we want to be in future. And accounting, suppose if we want to maintain the accounts using the computer, we can approach the enterprise resources planning. So that will help the business people to maintain the accounts in a perfect manner. And the next one is a supply chain. So supply chain is a tracking system. Suppose if we are sending the goods from one place to another place, or if we are getting the things from one place to another place, we can easily track the goods and services, how far our goods is there, like that. So these are the enterprise resource planning. And the next one is cyber security and data protection. So if we are using the computers in our business, there is a security is there, certainly a security is there, the privacy is there. So the computer people, the IT people are instructing to do the do or install the antivirus in that computer. The antivirus and the other antivirus is help to protect our data, and protect our data from the cyber criminals. So we have to install the antivirus in our business and in our computers. That will protect the data and also give the cyber security. While we are doing the online business, and while we are doing the e-commerce, we have to definitely we want the cyber security, because in the cyber there are many unwanted activities are happening. It will harm to our online business activities. So if we are installing the proper antivirus and the right antivirus to in our computer, or if we are using the right antivirus in our business activities, that will help the cyber security, that will give the cyber security and data protection in a perfect manner. So the next one is future of computer in business. There are lot of futures of computers. While we are using the computers in our business, we have a lot of futures. So mainly there are these things are classified into artificial intelligence, blockchain and internet of things, and we have the many things like energy management, software engineering, auto scaling, resource management, security and privacy, software defined network, big data analysis and data science, deep learning, serverless computing, fault tolerance, application design, fog computing, quantum computing, 5G and beyond, data processing, cloud contains, QoS and SLA, and Bitcoin currency. So these are the futures are available in the business while we are using the computers in the business, and the so these are the things are included in the computers in business. So thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.